Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.5% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A TechShares bounce carried European equities higher following similar gains on Wall Street and Asia, and helped also by a small pullback in the dollar from a 17-month high. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said El Salvador's decision to adopt Bitcoin as its currency was concerning because consumers probably will be caught out by its volatility. Fed officials have contributed to the more hawkish view that the U.S. central bank may act sooner to try to stem rising price pressures if inflation doesn't moderate.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1800 GMT. Germany's import price index at 0700 GMT. The French consumer confidence at 0745 GMT. Italy's business confidence will be released at 0900 GMT. The Austrian Purchasing Manager Index at 0900 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.